Many gardeners reach for fertilizer this time of year, and the question is, do you really need it? We're wired for the quick fix, so we reach for the fertilizer. But the question is, what problem are we trying to solve? You know, I see this all the time at the garden center. People standing in front of the wall of fertilizer looking at it, and they ask me for help. Which one should I get? And then I ask them, why do you even think you need fertilizer? You should see some of the looks I get. But here's the thing. Fertilizer should be used to correct a deficiency, not because it's what plants need or this is what I already do. You could end up fertilizing your garden when it doesn't really need it, and all you're doing is spending money that you don't have to. So I actually had my soil tested, and here's what it told me. For my beds, and they're about 40 square feet each, it's recommending a small amount of nitrogen. And I'll show you the math in the description. And here's what it's telling me to do. I'm going to use 4 ounces of this fertilizer, which is a 1200, on each 40 square foot bed. That's not very much. Now I could use a higher concentrate, but that would be a smaller volume, and that would be rather difficult to spread evenly. So let me get this in. Application is simple. We're just going to sprinkle this on top and then water it in. And more isn't really better. Use enough. And I'm just scratching this in the surface. Normally I would water this in, but it's starting to rain, so I'll let Mother Nature take care of this for me. Now, the best way to know what your soil needs is to get a lab test like I did. But I know not everybody's going to do that. So, real world, if you feel the need to fertilize without a lab test, then I would recommend a slow release balanced fertilizer, a 10-10-10, maybe a 20-20-20, and apply it at a rate slightly less than the package indicates. This way you avoid any opportunity for burning any sensitive plants. Fertilizer is not something you add to your soil to make your plants grow. It's something you add to correct a deficiency. And once you start looking at it from that point of view, the amount that you need to use might actually surprise you.